Alright, y'all, so this is going to be a super short little recording. I just kind of wanted to go over the new equipment, show you what all we got with the new equipment. It's not fully functional yet. We had some technical difficulties with part of the equipment, but I'll explain that too. So I'm just going to give you a little overview. It's from Legend Fitness, made in the USA. It's basically a 6-unit multi-station. So I'm just going to go over some of the capabilities here. We have the Lat Pulldown. By the way, I upgraded all the weight stacks to 300-pound weight stacks. So this is like the back department here. We have cables. We can do a pull down like so. And then there's this quick little disattachment here. Take this out. You put this one in. And then you take this off, and then you attach this cable here, and then you can put a cable row attachment on like so, and now you've got cable row. So you probably wouldn't want to superset those two, as that would be kind of a handful to mix and match, but as a standalone, that's really good. So coming over to this corner, we have a bicep tricep station, so you can do all your tricep extensions and then bicep curls. And then in the middle here we have an upper and lower cable attachment, and this is an issue. Since I upgraded the weight stack, they didn't modify the cable length, and my range of motion is terrible. So basically, if I'm doing like a cable, it locks out too soon. So if I'm actually in the middle of the equipment doing cables, it just kind of like it locks out too soon. You know, especially if you're like standing forward, like it's locking out way too early. So what I'm probably gonna have to do is reduce the weight on the middle stacks and then get a longer cable from the company so that I won't lock out. But once that's up and running, we'll be good. And there's a lower attachment as well, so you can do the same thing. But again, it locks out early. Also, from like a shoulder lateral standpoint, you know, that's what this bar's for. Hold on to that, bracing yourself, locking out too early. So that's one mishap of this equipment. I'm gonna have to, like I said, reduce that weight stack and get longer cables. So over here we have a leg quad extension hamstring curl station. Basically with this, you can have quad extension here, and then you can adjust this piece all the way up. Make sure that is flipped down. And you have this pad here, so you can lock yourself in and do hamstring curls. Lock that up a little bit more. So pretty smooth movement there.
Should be able to do some hip thrusters on that too.
Yeah, you can probably do hip thrusters on there. And then over here we have the other issue. So this collar, both of these collars are stripped out. So we couldn't ever get those out. You have to take these out in order to put the weight stack on. So since those collars were stripped out, we haven't been able to put the weight stack on here. So we're gonna have to call the company, have them send us new collars. But once that is on and we have the weights on this department, we'll have this apparatus, which is like a chest slash shoulder press. So in the most vertical position like it is now, we can have a shoulder press like so, pretty smooth. And then you could just take this down, for an incline press like so. And then at the furthest position. You can have it flat, and you just drop these down like that. You have a flat bench press, like so. And that piece of equipment is actually pretty smooth. I like the way it flows. A lot of chest presses, I don't like the position, but this is pretty smooth. I'm excited to get this fixed so we can have the fully functioning equipment. And then I'm excited to get the cables and the weights modified for the cable crossover stacks. But this, in combination with what we already have, the dumbbells, the squat rack, the deadlift, all the free weight stuff, we're probably going to get a few more pieces of equipment, like a vertical hack squat. Probably will be the next item, but this will increase our capabilities significantly. I'm super excited about having this. And this is solid equipment. Again, kind of frustrating that it's broken right now, but once it's all up and running, we'll have a pretty worthwhile gym here. So excited about that. Again, sorry the video is short. Just want to kind of show you what we're at right now with the gym side of things. So we're about to work out and break in the equipment, and I'll see you for tomorrow's video.